we know that the circle appears like this. Here we have a circle. Okay, its center is called M, any letter, like this. This set of points, and each point here on the same distance from the center of the circle. Next slide, we have here what is the meaning of the radius of the circle. It is a line segment which is joined between the center of the circle and any point on the circle, like this. If I draw a circle like that, and I have line like from M to the circle, I consider this line MA, MP, MC. All of these lines are called the radii. Each of them is called the radius of the circle. And we must know that MA must be equal MB must be equal MC. All radii in a circle are equal in length. Let us move to the other definition. Is a part of the circle like the chord. What is the meaning of the chord? The chord of the circle, it is a line segment which is joined between any 2 points on the circle. If I have a circle M, and if I draw a line passing through these 2 points on the circle, okay, so this line is called the chord of the circle M. A and AC is a chord. Then we have another part of the circle which is called the diameter. What is the meaning of diameter of the circle? It is a chord which is passing through the center of the circle, and we consider that the diameter is the longest chord in the circle, like this. This AB is called diameter of the circle. Let us move to another sum of notes about circle. We know that the diameter is the longest chord of the circle. We said it before. The diameter length equal twice the radius length. The circumference of a circle equal 2 pi r length unit. The area of a circle pi r squared square unit. We must know these notes. Now we'll take some exercise, and we must put in our mind that all radii equal in a circle. If I have a problem and I can't find the solution, remember this, that all radii are equal in the circle. Here I have 2 circles like this. In each of the following figures, find the value of used sample in measuring. Here I have a circle M, measure of angle A equals 40, and I wanted to find the X, means measure of angle AMB. I know that if I have a triangle, it's easy if I can find 2 angles in a triangle to find the measure of third angle. And we know that the sum of measures of interior angles of triangle is equal to 180. Here, if I wanted to find the X, so I need to find the measure of angle P in the first. How can I find the measure of angle P? We know that MA is equal to MP to radii, right? It means the measure of angle A must be equal measure of angle P, each of them equal 40. Then, to find the measure of angle X, I can add 40 plus 40, subtract the answer from 180, right? Let us see the solution. Here I know that MA is equal to MP to radii. And we know also that if I have A and P is isosceles triangle. So measure of angle A equals measure of angle P, each of them equal 40. After that, we know that measure of angle AMP is equal 180 minus 40 plus 40, because we know that sum of measures of interior angles of triangle 180. Okay, let us go to the other exercise, letter B. If we have measure of this angle AMP, flexive angle, 220. We know that measure of sum of measures of angles about a point is equal to 360. Means measure of this angle AMP plus measure of this angle must be equal to 360, right? Okay, so to find the measure of this angle, we need to subtract 360 from 360 minus 220. 12p, 140. I wanted to find y. We know that MA is equal MP to radii. MA equal MP. Remember that all radii are equal in length in a circle, right? Then to find the y, I know that A, measure of angle A, equals measure of angle B. And we know also that sum of measures of interior angles of triangle 180. So I can subtract 140 from 180. After that, divide the result by 2. Like this. We know that MA equals MP. Measure of angle A equals measure of angle B, 180 minus 140 over 2, which equal 40 over 2, equal to. We'll continue another lesson in second session, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.